In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete a group chat on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up messages. As you can see, I got a group conversation here. If we tap on it, we can tap at the very top. However, there are no option to delete that group conversation. To delete it, we need to go out of here to messages, then swipe to the left and tap at trash. It says this conversation will be deleted from all of your devices. To continue, tap at delete. As you can see, the conversation has just been deleted. However, it is not actually true, because it just has been moved to recently deleted conversations. If we go to edit and then tap at show recently deleted, we can find that conversation here. It says 30 days. It means that that group chat will be automatically deleted in 30 days. However, if you would like to delete it immediately, you need to checkmark it and then tap at delete. That's how you can easily delete group chat on your iPhone.